Clearing opens at ARU on 1st of July, and it's really simple. Here's our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Take a breath. Consider your interests, not just high grades. Passion for a subject is closely tied to success. Step 2. Think options. Find out what's available in the subjects you most enjoy. We have degree courses in a wide range of subject areas. Step 3. Apply online or by phone. Applying to ARU through Clearing is quick and easy. Clearing opened on the 1st of July, so you can make your application as soon as you're ready. Step 4. Have your details to hand. Get your essential information ready before applying. You'll need your UCAS personal ID number if you made an application through UCAS, your results if you haven't, any questions you want to ask. Step 5. A-level results day. Depending on the grades you've achieved, you'll have a few options. 1. If you're holding a conditional firm place and you got the grades, congratulations! Keep checking our emails and UCAS application portal. 2. If you didn't get the grades or are looking for new opportunities, don't worry. Speak with our advisors to work out the best next step for you. This could include a foundation year or a changing course. 3. You got your grades, but you want to change course. You can browse our available courses and either call us or apply via UCAS. Step 6. Accept your offer. If we made you an offer, act quickly. Step 7. Tell your friends. This is the best bit. At university, you'll make friends, new memories, and networks for life. We can't wait to see you on campus.